If you're looking for an in-depth Vitamix E520 versus a 2500 comparison, then this video is for you. I'll explain all the differences between the Vitamix E520 and the Vitamix A2500 so that you know which product is most worth buying. Just make sure to click the links in the description box below to see the most up-to-date pricing information. The Vitamix E520 and a 2500 both pack serious blending power. You'll find a robust 2.2 horsepower motor in each model, capable of tackling tough ingredients with ease. The A2500 takes things up a notch with its built-in digital timer, which gives you much more control over the manual recipes that you create. Both models have 3 pre-programmed settings for soups, smoothies, and frozen desserts. However, the A2500 has built-in wireless connectivity that connects with a variety of additional containers and even a food processor attachment, giving you much more versatility in the kitchen. Both the Vitamix E520 and a 2500 boast robust construction, but there are some key differences to note. The E520, part of the Explorian series, has a more traditional design with a taller profile. You'll find its controls simple and straightforward with a speed dial and pulse switch. In contrast, the A2500 from the Ascent series sports a sleeker, more modern look. It features a low-profile container and a digital interface with a digital timer. This gives it a more high-tech feel compared to the E520. Weight-wise, the E520 is slightly lighter, making it easier to move around your kitchen. The A2500, while a bit heavier, offers a more stable base during operation. Warranty coverage is another point of distinction. The E520 usually comes with a 7-year warranty, while the A2500 offers an impressive 10-year warranty, reflecting Vitamix's confidence in its Ascent series. The Vitamix E520 and a 2500 both offer powerful blending capabilities, but with some key differences in features and tech. The E520 comes with preset programs for smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts. These take the guesswork out of blending times for common recipes. On the A2500, you'll find those same 3 presets plus a digital timer display. This helps you track blending duration for more precise results. Both models sport variable speed controls and pulse functions. However, the A2500 steps it up with Vitamix's Smart Blend technology. Smart Blend uses wireless connectivity to detect the container size and adjust blend settings automatically. This feature is absent on the E520. Additionally, the A2500's digital interface gives it a sleeker look compared to the E520's traditional dial and switches, but some users prefer the E520's tactile controls. Both blenders feature Vitamix's aircraft-grade stainless steel blades and robust motors. You can expect top-notch blending performance from either choice. As mentioned, the A2500 is part of the Ascent series, which means it's compatible with Vitamix's range of self-detect containers. The E520 lacks this versatility. The Vitamix E520 and a 2500 both offer user-friendly features, but there are some key differences to consider. The E520 has simple manual controls with a speed dial and pulse switch. You'll find it straightforward to adjust blending speeds on the fly. In contrast, the A2500 boasts digital controls and preset programs. This can streamline your blending process, especially for common recipes. When it comes to cleaning, both models have self-cleaning capabilities. Just add warm water and a drop of dish soap, then run the blender for 30-60 seconds. The A2500 has a slight edge here with its dishwasher-safe container. You'll find some differences in accessory compatibility between the Vitamix E520 and A2500. The A2500, being part of the Ascent series, offers way more versatility in this area. The A2500 is compatible with Vitamix's Smart System containers and attachments. This includes the super useful food processor attachment, which can expand your culinary possibilities. For the E520, you're limited to standard Legacy Series accessories. While still useful, you won't have access to the newer, smarter options. Both blenders come with a tamper, essential for pushing ingredients towards the blades. They also include recipe books to get you started on your blending journey. If you're looking for maximum versatility in accessories, the A2500 has a clear advantage. However, the E520 still offers enough options for most home cooks, although it's definitely noisier than the more quiet Vitamix A2500. And with that said, I really hope my Vitamix A2500 versus a 520 comparison helped to shed some light on the differences between these two blenders.